How to fix Kasa Smart Home application not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if Kasa Smart Home application is not working properly. So without further delay, let's get started. If your application is not working properly, it could be the issues with your device, the app itself, or the connectivity. So let's see. First thing, you have to ensure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. You can switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile network to see if the issue resolves. If still not, the second thing, you have to make sure that if the application is up to date to its latest version. Now, to see that, open up Play Store. Tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for the application. If you find update option where I have open, that means the application needs update. So tap on update. Once you have updated the application, now you can go back and open up the application and check whether your problem is solved or not. If still not, you can restart your mobile device to clear some temporary system glitches. So once you have restarted your device, open up and see if the application now works properly or not. If not, the next step is to clear cache and data. For that, navigate to your application in a mobile device, tap and hold on it. Tap on App Info. Once you're here, tap on Storage and Cache. Then tap on Clear Cache. Once you have cleared the cache, all the glitches from the application will be cleared. Now, you can close all this completely and then open up the application and log in if necessary. And if this still does not help you, the last option is to delete the application and reinstall. So to uninstall the application, navigate to application again. Tap and hold on it. Tap on App Info. Then tap on Uninstall. Then tap on OK. Once you have done that, now again open up Play Store and reinstall the application. Tap on the search icon and search for the application. Now install it again and then relog in. Now your application will work properly, and that's the way to fix if your application does not work properly. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.